Hi everyone, this is a video that continues from my previous video on different ways of simulating a response of the control systems. So in this video, I'm going to detail down to how to generate the block diagram of the Simulink model that I've demonstrated in the previous video. The first thing that we are going to do here is to create the input and output blocks. So the input can be found in sources, From Workspace, so let's drag it out, and the output will be located under Sinks to Workspace. Next, we will need the summing point, so it can be located under Mat operations. And next, a gain K, a transfer function which can be located under continuous, and lastly, if you like to combine a different signals as the output, you can use the multiplexer. The multiplexer can be located under signal routing. Now let's configure each of the blocks. So the first one is the sim in, but for sim in there isn't much to actually configure, so we are going to leave it as default. Next is a summing point. For a unity feedback system, negative feedback system, basically the second sign we have to change it to minus. And next, the gain will be a variable gain K, which you're going to define using mfiles. And next transfer function will be s squared plus 5s plus 20. In the previous example, we actually multiplexed 3 signals altogether. So we are going to change the multiplexer to 3 inputs. And you can resize it like this. Just have to connect all the blocks together. Alright, we are done with all the connections. And the last thing to do is to configure the sim out. The sim out, you can use the different save formats, but for the example that we have shown in the previous video, we are actually using the structure with time. Okay, basically this is the only settings that you have to configure for the example to work. An important step here is to actually save the file. Now if you are using the mfiles that have been demonstrated earlier, the file name is called the input demo. Hence, this file we have to save with the name called input demo. So once it is saved, so you can actually identify the name of the model here, input demo. And the last thing to do here is just to run the mfiles. Alright, so here will be the output, exactly the same as the previous example. Hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.